Sometimes I feel lost like a runaway. Read over the diary while I stay getting richer like prior. Need to put the gun away cause I got prior. It's hard to stay rolling when the world full of riders. Blunt tip on fire, flying down sunset, motivated to win like I ain't won yet. Think shit over, hell no, I ain't done yet. I LBC, y'all bringing that a G-fall. Tonight it's going down like free fall. Chevy bouncing up and down like a fucking seesaw. Tripping off, hey, no hee-haw. All black lokes on the low, acting like I don't see y'all. Doing that shit to demean, dog. But when I bring it to you, you be like, what you mean, dog? Then we go back and forth like it's ping pong, knowing I should just ring your bell. Ding dong. But that's one thing about this shit, partner. Every move is so watched by these rich boxes. So why should I lose all my rich sponsors? I'm gone, then you suddenly get poppin'? Shit, sip the gin, then I'm in the wind. Pop a bing like a M&M. So strong, get a nigga thin. Rapper stay saying Slim so shady, but ain't talking Eminem. So fuck you, him and him. I was gang banging before a nigga entered in. No facade, I went from the yard to a 3-car garage to instant menages. Vintage relentless, I mean this I promise. No Suge, no Dre, I'd have did this regardless. And that's what I'm supposed to think. Flinch at me like I'm supposed to blink. Motherfucker, this crib still hard to swallow like a big pill. Pushing 40, still a big deal. Ponytail still swinging, hair still braided. Laker to a clipper, I won't be faded, nigga. So buzz on that shit. Backflip back to black shit. Blue, red, white to black shit. But for the green, I send a whole motherfucking team to clap shit. React to Mac shit. Problem, Terrence, fuck this rap shit.
Shots fired. Suspect down. Request EMT immediately.
No wild, shoot 'em up, shoot 'em up. Shoot the wild west. Shoot 'em up. Josie Wells was known for robbing trains and things, slinging everybody down for diamond rings and chains. It remains the same in the year you live in. Cause if I pull out some heat, nigga, you gon' kick in. And that's just the rules set by the fool from the old school. When it's time to do, you get 2 men, 2 heaters, 1 street, 1 clock. And when it strike 12, one of y'all gon' drop. If you quick on the draw, you gon' see them all. But if you too slow, I catch you on the down low. Oh no, you mean they kill? Shit's real. Ain't no John Wayne, these niggas gangbang. Them 4 horsemen, that's the clique I'm with. You mean them little bitty niggas with the itchy trigger fingers? Yeah, we on the mission to Kansas. Slipping through Texas, we stopped at Bonanza to get us some hot cakes, bacon and eggs. Then we slid in the whole house to get us some leg. Hop back on the horses and forces, of courses. Them niggas in black, the feelings for horsemen, searching for this location on the map. The gold rush, baby, got to have that. It feels just like it's 1865, and a trick of liquor day is how I ride.
On and on, it's more strange. Time to hit shooting range. You quit with the heat on the hip. Young Jesse James came to test your aim. I seen you acting wild on the corral. I heard of your name, it's falsified. Nigga, you ain't never lied. Besides, I'm in the mood, so I knew we ride from coast to coast. Niggas mash on every stagecoach. My disciples with rifles, lethal and whole posts. The off the rock a roller coaster. On a 6-shooter holster with DPG on every wanted poster. Let me think about which bank the game, which fella to shoot and which teller to shame. I want all the shit you got in stacks attached to the skirt in the corner, so I snatched the bitch in the bag. The dog in me feels for the lust, but the hog in me makes me wanna bust. Back to the drawn down board. Nowadays I'm drawn down more to survive the all around wars. Battle up or saddle up and shake the scene, or get your pocket shaking clean the slugs in your spleen. I can't help it, I'm heartless, you can't hack it. With my 6 shooters on my hips and dusty jacket. Like that, cock back, quick to pull my strap, just to put the horsemen on the map.
Doggy style individual, James got the hots. I got the 6 shots for all the plans and plots. I got lots of cash stash, the money bags, worthy workers for the rush and blabber mouths and gags. I got stacks, so my stacks excel. Hop in the coach with my 12 Clydesdales and bells. I'm on the move, smooth to my decoy horse. A 30-30 on my side to shoot a nigga, of course. It ain't no stopping young Josie. Box all the nosy, headed to the saloon with my platoon where all the hoes be. Left the dusty trail, belled in swell, gold spurs on the gator, set back the clientele. Oh well, for the recop I pray. between my homies and ride the sunset. 2 sacks of money from the train heist, ain't even counting it up, just mounting it up. Roll west toward the coast, the 6 shooters in the holster. Pass through and run downtown, whose walls hold my poster. The closer I get to death, which is every second makes me sweat, so I gotta have what I can get. Heard word about the gold rush, and headed west on my white horse seat with 3 straps in my knapsack. Giddy up, the next town I rode through, I had to threaten to blow they city up. Bump heads with cheap black hawk 5 miles west, selling some beats and selling some weed. He offered me a toke, he didn't have a joint, he had that beats pipe smoke. I almost choked, grateful for the get right. I'm off into the sunset, trying to reach my destiny fast. It's these 2 bags of cash, 44's cocked. I ain't making no more stops till I hit the spot. I made it 12 on the dot, I slid off my boots, counted my loot. 5 minutes after the strike of midnight, I counted 200 G's. I cocked my strap and slept tight. To go.
Yeah. They ain't ready for this one, nephew. Lil Jon, Snoop Dogg. Turn this shit up, nigga. Let's go. 1800, I'm blunted for certain. Geeking on your hoes, everybody here turn. 1800, blunted for certain. Geeking on your hoes, everybody here turn. Well, nigga, I'm burnt, lil' mama, what it do? Yeah, nigga, I'm burnt, lil' mama, what it do? Shorty, you burnt, lil' mama, what it do? If a nigga make a move, lil' mama coming too. 1800, I'm blunted for certain. Snoop D-O-Dub, pocket full of dubs. All my niggas dubs, rolling on candy. Feeling like mess square bitches can't stand that. Hey, my niggas turned up, I'm a beast, bitch. West Coast, I'm on the East, bitch. When I'm in the place, the hoes lose it. They say they love me, and the music, the spot jerking. They be getting low. She wanna roll, that's what I'm here for. I threw a grand up and watch it come down. That ain't for you, bitch. I like to hear the sound. Now put your hands up, I wanna see you work. She blew a kiss, I blew the perp. I'm geeked up, girl, I'm on my tip too. My niggas all on, and I'ma get you. 1800, I'm blunted for certain. Geeking on your hoes, everybody here turn. 1800, blunted for certain. Geeking on your hoes, everybody here turn. Well, nigga, I'm burnt, lil' mama, what it do? Yeah, nigga, I'm burnt, lil' mama, what it do? Shorty, you burnt, lil' mama, what it do? If a nigga make a move, lil' mama coming too. 1800, I'm blunted for certain. Snoop D-O-Dub, I'm higher than the mug. Cameras going off, all the chickens want hugs. And when I'm on the bill, I for sure feel the club. Everybody on me, nigga, I'm a star. Long Beach Lakers, see the faces in the car. Pimpin' what it do, she poppin' like a pill. 1800 in my hand, let it spill. Your party on E, if Snoopy don't come. You smoke about a zone, I smoke about a drum. Burnt in the club, my hands on the thigh. A east side nigga put his hood in the sky. She like what I say, I like what she do. Turn that ass around and drop it like a fool. I'm geeked up, girl, I'm on my tip too. The homies all on, but I'ma get you. 1800, I'm blunted for certain. Geeking on your hoes, everybody here turn. 1800, blunted for certain. Geeking on your hoes, everybody here turn. Well, nigga, I'm burnt, lil' mama, what it do? Yeah, nigga, I'm burnt, lil' mama, what it do? Shorty, you burnt, lil' mama, what it do? If a nigga make a move, lil' mama coming too. 1800, I'm blunted for certain. Snoop D-O-Dub, turn that shit up. I don't buy bub, tequila got me going. Burnt in the club, and everybody knowing. Nigga, I'm a boss, I do what I do. Millionaire status, nigga, who is you? My looks on right, baby, look at me. She like hot talk, I get it from the P. Lil Jon did it, the party going dumb. Put it in the air, listen to the drum. Snoop Dogg said it, we getting turned up. Swishers all around, getting burnt up. Look at how I do, I grab her by the waist. Whisper in the ear, then I touch her on the face. I'm geeked up, girl, I'm on my tip too. Everybody on, but I'ma get you. 1800, I'm blunted for certain. Geeking on your hoes, everybody here turn. 1800, blunted for certain. Geeking on your hoes, everybody here turn. Well, nigga, I'm burnt, lil' mama, what it do? Yeah, nigga, I'm burnt, lil' mama, what it do? Shorty, you burn. Lil' mama, what it do? If a nigga make a move, lil' mama coming too.
DRE. You minor, I'm major league. But what y'all didn't expect to see is me on TV with Snoop D-O-double-G. Smoke, get a buzz, show a young G love. If you don't give a what, put your hands up. What? Party like it should be done. You leaving at 2, girl? You know the night's just begun. The after-hour spot is off the hook. The ugly crows bought a bottle of Cook. Them fly crows keep smoking it. So you know I got a bird in the bush. You run up, you get stomped to mush. Look at here, I talk to God, I don't pray. When I want something, I don't play. It's nocturnal with a capital K. Best believe it's a brand new day. And if you feel me, sunshine, come around my way.
Put your hands up, come off them grams. I ain't tripping, that's the way I am. And if you see me with heat in my hand, you better duck, that's the way I am. I can't believe you got up in them pants. Sexy lady gon' do that dance. Coming over when you're sick of your man, and we can chill, that's the way I am.
Light blue shoes, dark blue pants, 4 or 5 and they all wanna dance. I don't get down, but that ain't my program. I don't hold hands and I don't slow jam. I sleepwalk in the park with the fellas and make suckers jealous cause they can't outsell us. You wanna join us? Well here's a few pointers about them riders from the state of California. Knock on wood, Eastside LB, this all to the good in the hood. He's so confidential with the way that we get you, and the that I hit you and spit you, split you, sit you down. Click, cock, pop at you, rock you and knock you down. Pimp slap you and sock you down. Lifestyles of the mother dog pound. Now
put your hands up, come off them grams. I ain't tripping, that's the way I am. And if you see me with heat in my hand, you better duck, that's the way I am. I can't believe you got up in them pants. Sexy lady gon' do that dance. Coming over when you're sick of your man, and we can chill, that's the way I am.
I don't know that girl, I just met her. Sipping on sour, I'm a raptor. She gon' do her thing if I let her. But I'ma bounce cause her friend looks better. I like the way she knows me, like the way she got herself in VIP. If she sees KNOC, she gon' chill and wait out front for me.
Who do you know that rides for the coast with a new breed and style of rap like me? I had the patience to study the game. Dr. Dre made 2 chronics and this is chronic 3. I make classic hits and buy classic cars and see classic balls.
I step in the spot and the girls all pause.
Magic stick, I break down walls. Got my heater, some jumps off. Really, you stepping to me is a lost cause. Party animal here since 9:45. Baby face 6'2" with an LA brim. I got shell toes on, I don't wear them Timbs. I got in a gallon of gin. Ain't no telling what I might get in the first night. Do it right, I'ma do it again. Come on.
Put your hands up, come off them grams. I ain't tripping, that's the way I am. And if you see me with heat in my hand, you better duck, that's the way I am. I can't believe you got up in them pants. Sexy lady gon' do that dance. Coming over when you're sick of your man, and we can chill, that's the way I am. Put your hands up, come off them grams. I ain't tripping, that's the way I am. And if you see me with heat in my hand, you better duck, that's the way I am. I can't believe you got up in them pants. Sexy lady gon' do that dance. Coming over when you're sick of your man, and we can chill, that's the way I am.
What y'all niggas got to say? Hey baby, get some bubble gum in this motherfucker, so. Right, baby, get some of y'all. Study long, study wrong, baby.
With so much drama in the LBC, it's kinda hard being Snoop D-O-double-G. But I somehow, someway keep coming up with funky ass shit like every single day. May I kick a little something for the G's and make a few ends as I breeze through 2 in the morning and the party still jumping cause my mama ain't home. I got bitches in the living room getting it on and they ain't leaving till 6 in the morning. So what you wanna do? Shit, I got a pocket full of rubbers and my homeboys do too. So turn off the lights and close the doors. But what?
We don't love them hoes.
Yeah. So we gon' smoke an ounce to this. G's up, hoes down, while you motherfuckers bounce to this.
Rolling down the street, smoking in now, sipping on
laid back.
With my mind on my money and my money on my mind.
Rolling down the street, smoking in now, sipping on gin and juice.
Laid back.
With my mind on my money and my money on my
back.
mind.
I got me some Seagram's gin. Everybody got their cups, but they ain't chipped in. Now this type of shit happens all the time. You gotta get yours, but fool, I gotta get mine. Everything is fine when you're listening to the DOG. I got the cultivating music that be captivating he who listens to the words that I speak as I take me a drink to the middle of the street and get to mackin' to this bitch named Shady. She used to be the homeboy's lady. 80 degrees when I tell that bitch, please raise up off these NUTs, cause you get none of these at ease. As I mob with the dog pound, feel the breeze. Biatch up just
rolling down the street, smoking in now, sipping on gin and juice.
Laid back.
With my mind on my money and my money on my mind.
Rolling down the street, smoking in now, sipping on gin and juice.
Laid back.
With my mind on my money and my money on my mind.
Later on that day, my homie Dr. Dre came through with a gang to Tangeray and a fat ass J of some bubonic chronic that made me choke. Shit, this ain't no joke. I had to back up off of it and sit my cup down. Tangeray and chronic, yeah, I'm fucked up now, but it ain't no stopping. I'm still popping. Dre got some bitches from the city of Compton to serve me, not with a cherry on top. Cause when I bust my nut, I'm raising the bar to cock. Don't get upset, girl, that's just how it goes. I don't love you hoes, I'm out the dough, and I'll be
rolling down the street, smoking in now, sipping on gin and juice.
laid back.
With my mind on my money and my money on my mind.
Rolling down the street, smoking in now, sipping on gin and juice.
Laid back.
With my mind on my money and my money on my mind.
Rolling down the street, smoking in now, sipping on gin and juice.
Biatch.
With my mind on my money and my money on my mind.
Rolling down the street, smoking in now, sipping on gin and juice.
Biatch.
With my mind on my money and my money on my mind.
Pencil.
As I look up at the sky, my mind starts tripping, a tear drops my eye. My body temperature falls, I'm shaking and they breaking, trying to save the dough. Pumping on my chest and I'm screaming, I stop breathing, damn I see demons. Dear God, I wonder can you save me? I can't die, my boo-boo's about to have my baby. I think it's too late for praying, hold up. Her voice spoke to me and it slowly started saying,
bring your lifestyle to me, I make it better.
and how long will I live?
Eternal life and forever.
Or will I be the G that I was?
I make your life better than you can imagine or even dreamed of. So relax your soul, let me take control. Close your eyes, my soul.
My eyes are closed.
Murder was the case that they gave me. Murder was the case that they gave me. Murder was the case that they gave me. Murder was the case that they gave me.
I'm fresh up out my coma. I got my mama and my daddy and my homies in my corner. It's gonna take a miracle, they say, for me to walk again and talk again. But anyway, I get fronted some keys to get back on my feet. And everything that nigga said came to reality. Living like a baller low, I'm having money and blowing hella chronic smoke. I bought my mama a Benz, my boo-boo a Jag, and now I'm rolling in the 9 tris AL Dogg.
Just remember who changed your mind, cause when you start set tripping, that ass is mine.
Indeed, agree, proceed to smoke weed. Never have a want, never have a need. They say I'm greedy, but I still want more, cause my eyes want to journey some more. Really though.
Check it out.
I pray the Lord, my soul to keep. If I should die before I wake, I pray the Lord, my soul
Murder was the case
to
that they
keep.
gave me. Murder was the case that they gave me. Murder was the case that they gave me.
No more endo, gin and juice. I'm on my way to Chino, rolling on the Grey Goose, shackled from head to toe. 25 with the SL, with nowhere to get so. I know them niggas from the other side recognize my face, cause it's the OG, Digo Double G, LBC. Man dogging niggas cause I don't care. Red jumpsuit with 2 braids in my hair. Niggas stare as I enter the center. They send me to a level 3 yard. That's where I stay late night. I hear toothbrushes scraping on the floor. Niggas getting they shanks just in case the war pops off. Cause you can't tell what's next. My little homie, baby boo, he took a pencil in his neck. And he probably won't make it to C22. I put that on my mama. I'm gonna ride for you, baby boo.
Sing it. Come on, come on.
1, 2, 3 into the 4. Snoop Dogg and Dr. Dre is at your door, ready to make an entrance, so back on up.
Cause you know we about to fuck shit up.
Give me the microphone first so I can bust like a bubble. Compton and Long Beach together,
come
now
on,
you know
Boston.
You in trouble. Ain't nothing but a G thing. 2 loped out niggas, so it. And Doghouse is the label that we unfadable, so please don't try to fade this. But back to the lecture at hand.
That's right.
Perfection is perfected, so I'ma let them understand from a young G's perspective. And before me digging a bitch, I have to find a contraceptive. You never know, she could be earning a man and learning a man, and at the same time burning a man. Now if she burning, I'ma chill for a minute, cause ain't no pussy good enough to give her while I'm up in it. And that's realer than real deal, holy feel. And now you hookers and hoes know how I feel. Well, if it's good enough to get broke off a proper chunk, I'll have a small piece of some of that funky stuff. It's like this and like that and like this and it's like that and like this and like that and it's like this and like that and like this and Dre creep to the mic like a fan.
Well, I'm peeping and I'm creeping and I'm creeping, but I damn near got caught cause my beeper kept beeping. Now it's time for me to make my impression felt. So sit back, relax and strap on your seatbelt. You never been on the fry like this before. With a producer who can rap and control the maestro. At the same time with the dope rhyme that I kick. Nigga, you know and I know I flow some more funky shit. To add to my collection, this selection symbolizes dope. Take a toke but don't choke. If you do, you have no clue of what me and my nigga Snoop Dogg came to do. It's like this and like that and like this and it's like that and like this and like that and it's like this. And who gives a fuck about those?
So just chill till the next episode.
Boston! Y'all with us in this motherfucker? Y'all still with us in this motherfucker? What?
Holding back on that ass with the hellified gangster lean. Getting funky on the mic like an old batch of collard greens. It's the capital S, so yes, I'm pressure double OP. Digo Double G by Digo Double G, you see. What? Showing much flex when it's time to wreck a mic. Pimping hoes and clapping a grip like my name was Dolomite. Hell yeah, and you don't quit. I think they in the mood for some motherfucking G shit. So Dre,
what up, dog?
Gotta give them what they want.
What's that, G?
Gotta break them off something, and it's gotta be bumping.
It's where it takes place, so what nash your attention? Mobbing with the dog pound.
Wow, wow, wow.
Dropping the funky shit that's making them sucker niggas mumble. When I'm on the mic, it's like a cookie, they all crumble. Try to get close in that ass and get smacked. My motherfucking homie Doggy Dogg has got my back. Never let me slip, cause if I slip, then I'm slipping. But if I got my Nina, then you know I'm straight tripping. And I'ma continue to put the rap down, put the Mac down. And if these bitches wanna trip, I have to put the smack down. And you don't stop. I told you I'm just like a clock when I tick and I talk, but I'm never off, always on till the break of dawn.
C-O-M-B, T-O-N.
In that city they call Long Beach, putting this shit together like my nigga DOC. No one can do it better like this, that, and this, and it's like that, like this, and like that, and it's like this. And who gives a fuck about those?
So just chill.
Boston, come on, say make money, money, make money, money, money.
Everybody, come on.
Say make money, money, take money, money, money.
Everybody get in the house.
Say make money, money.
sure what I see. You don't fuck with me. Are you telling me to see the sign? She's looking in my eyes. No, see no other guys. Are you telling me to see the sign?
Don't think about it, boy, leave her alone. Nigga, you ain't no king. She likes my tone, my cologne, and the way I roll. You ain't no king.
It's legit, you know it's a hit when the Neptunes and the doggy dog finna spit. You know he's in tune with the season. Come here, baby, tell me why you leaving. Tell me if it's weed that you need, if you wanna breathe. I got the best weed, minus C's. Ain't nobody tripping, VIP they can't get in. If something go wrong, then you know we get to gripping.
What I see, you don't fuck with me. Are you telling me to see the sign? She's looking in my eyes. No, see no other guys. Are you telling me to see the sign?
Don't think about it, boy, leave her alone. Nigga, you ain't no king. She likes my tone, my cologne, and the way I roll. You ain't no king.
Now you steppin' with a G from Los Angeles, where the helicopters got cameras, just to get a glimpse of our chucks and our khakis and our bouncing car. You with your friend, right?
Yeah.
She ain't tryna bring over no men, right?
No.
She ain't gotta be in the distance. She can get high all in an instant.
Sure what I see, you don't fuck with me. Are you telling me to see the sign? She's looking in my eyes. No, see no other guys. Are you telling me to see the sign?
Don't think about it, boy, leave her alone. Nigga, you ain't no king. She likes my tone, my cologne, and the way I roll. You ain't no king.
Mommy, mamacita, have you ever flown on G5 from London to Ibiza?
You gotta have cake too.
You'll have Sundays with your Chiquitas. You'll see Venus and Serena in the Wimbledon arena.
And I can
Uncle Charlie,
take you.
preach.
Nigga, don't be young and foolish. You don't know what you're doing. You don't know what you lost until she's gone. She had a pretty face, drove you wild, but you ain't had that Snoop Doggy Dogg style.
I'm not sure what I see, you don't fuck with me. Are you telling me to see the sign? She's looking in my eyes. No, see no other guys. Are you telling me to see the sign?
Don't think about it, boy, leave her alone. Nigga, you ain't no king.